Apple Watch Series 5 Screen Replacement Tutorial. Heat up the edges. Pick out the glass and pry up the screen carefully. This model clamshelled shut very tight and we need to heat it again. The gap between the screen and the watch body is thin. Avoid damaging internal components, and try not to push the blade too deep inside the watch. Peel off the black tape covering the display cables. Lift up the adhesive and disconnect the screen. Clean up the adhesive on the watch. Install the new screen. Boot up and test. Apply some adhesive, then the replacement completed.